He is in bed with cold compress.
He is in bed with cold compress.
He is blowing nose with tissue.
He is blowing nose with tissue.
He is taking medicine syrup with spoon.
He is taking medicine syrup with spoon.
He is wrapping striped blanket.
He is wrapping striped blanket.
He is practicing karate kick.
He is practicing karate kick.
He is holding colorful balloons.
He is holding colorful balloons.
Boy artist is holding palette and brush.
Boy artist is holding palette and brush.
She is holding her brother hand.
She is holding her brother hand.
He is ready to go to school with backpack.
He is ready to go to school with backpack.
He is a mechanic holding wrenches.
He is a mechanic holding wrenches.
He dressed as an airplane pilot.
He dressed as an airplane pilot.
He is sweeping with broom and vacuum.
He is sweeping with broom and vacuum.
He is shaking hand with his friend.
He is shaking hand with his friend.
He is flying kite outdoors.
He is flying kite outdoors.
Professional chef is cooking pasta.
Professional chef is cooking pasta.
She is making tasty pizza.
She is making tasty pizza.
Female chef is serving pizza.
Female chef is serving pizza.
He is washing the dishes.
He is washing the dishes.
She is drying the dishes with a cloth.
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 He is raking autumn leaves.
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 She is watering flowers in garden.
She is watering flowers in garden.
She is watering flowers in garden.
She is watering flowers in garden.